Hey, just want to show off what Dr. Bunting actually installed for me or with me today. It took really this is the back door. This one probably took, because it was the second we did, very little time. And there was even some hardware issues. We had to go and grab something from Stroh to replace. Actually, this is a new deadbolt and a new, look at that. You see that's happening? You know why that is? It's set to auto lock on 30 seconds after the door is unlocked. And I'll show you how I do that on my little app. So there's two, I don't know if we see that. Yeah, we do. There we go. There's two door locks. One's called front door, one's back door. This is back door. I'll tap on its little setting. And you'll see one of the things it has, I don't know if it's coming through clearly or not, but it's auto lock and it's set to 30 seconds. I could change that to be off, never auto lock, 30 seconds or 1 minute. And I like it at 30 seconds, seems to work great. It closes quickly. And again, think about like if you're bringing things in and out from the car, you might want to keep your phone on you because that way it will continue to unlock if you were to do that auto lock so rapidly. Let's see, let me go back to this. So let me show you quickly. It's locked currently. If I want to unlock it with the app, I'd simply press and hold on this. And there it goes, it's unlocking. Ding! And then beautiful hardware. It all works the same way as it used to, so you don't see anything ugly. All the magic's in here. You can barely see that, I think, but this little guy here actually unscrews. This deadbolt, and the battery that runs it all is inside of that. That battery should last about a year. So do this. If I leave it unlocked like that, it'll stay locked. Now here's another thing. I've set it up with Siri using the Home app. And so kind of all these automation things, don't worry about all that. It's a lot of gibberish. But the thing is that I can go, hey Siri, lock the back door. Nice. And I'll turn her up this time so you hear it better. The door is locked. I'll also typically get notifications too. Hey Siri, unlock the back door.
Just a moment. Your door is unlocked.
Sweet. Anyway, it's that simple. More later, there is supposedly, in addition to the auto lock, there's supposedly an auto unlock capability. As you walk up to the door, it'll just magically unlock. That is yet to be figured out, but that's what's claimed on the documentation. Okay, that's it. Thank you again, Dr. Bunting. This was a blast and really super, super fast.